Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through my whole photocard collection because recently I did like so many videos on the reorganization ones, so I just thought I'd go through the whole collection now that it's fully organized. It kind of makes sense, kind of doesn't, and I'm sorry for the crazy amount of photocard videos I've been doing. If you're not into that, it'll stop soon. I currently have 4 folders and then this little one that I had for traits, and I'll go through that right at the end if you're interested in like the traits bit part only. I'll put timestamps on the pinned comment so you can go to the folder you like. We have ateez, twice, other groups I collect, and then just generalized photo cards from albums I bought on a whim. We're gonna start with ateez and then twice and then others and then general, and then we'll go through traits. We'll just jump straight into it because it's crazy late. Okay, ateez. Still have my really pretty decal. This is my ateez episode 1 and then episode 2. All of these are complete up until episode fin. This is episode fin illusion album, and then MMT, and then wave album, and then wave MMT. Hongjun is still not here and I'm low-key worried about it, but hopefully it'll be okay. And then this is a version album. I just have these 2 on the way, and then I'm almost done with that one. And then MMT I haven't really started on yet except for Jongho's. And then this is the Z version normal. I've pretty much finished actually. I just need Sun and Hongjun, and then again I've only got Jongho's for the MMT. And then this is the anniversary. I've got a few. This is the anniversary baby, and then this is just my Jongho collection of non-album cards, and then postcards, the group on the back. And then this is the episode 2 postcard pre-order thing, and this is the anniversary MMT postcard. I'm gonna try and get all members for that, but if I can't then I'll just trade with Jongho's. And these are a few cards I can't let go of because they're just literally the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life. Maybe I'll sell them in the future, but they're my babies, so I'm gonna keep them for now. And that is it for ateez. I'm racing through this a bit because it's quite a lot. Then moving on to twice. I showed this one quite recently in the reorganizing the twice video, so I'm gonna go through this a little bit faster. This is up to page 2, and then twice coastal 1 and 2, and then signal. And then this is Likey and Merry and Happy. And then this is What is Love. I'm still missing 3 from that. And then this is the OT9 release. The OT9 card set that I'm collecting. I now have Nayeon, Taehyun, and I think Momo on the way. And this is Summer Nights. I finished Chaeyoung for that. I just need that card to come. And I haven't started on the QR code cards yet. This is Yes or Yes. I finished Che. I just need to start on these, but I'm focusing on What is Love and Fancy at the moment. This is Year of Yes. This is fully complete. This is Fancy. I finished Chaeyoung for this. And then I made a small start on the ring pop ones. And then this is Feel Special. I just need 1 card for Che. And I finished the OT9 set that I like. And I'm still on the gold cards. This is just my random page. I got my BDC Japanese group card and Obi strip. And then this Momo Mistake card. And that is twice. I still need to buy a decal for it. I love the ateez one so much. I'm gonna get one from the same shop, I think. This is all my general groups. I'll go through this a little slower since it's been a while since I went through this one. So we're gonna start with Yeri. I finished her cards now. I'll actually name them. This is Ice Cream Cake, the red, the velvet, Russian Roulette, and then Rookie, and the Red Summer. Then we have Perfect Velvet, the Perfect Red Velvet, and then Summer Magic. Then we have RBB, River Festival Day 1 and River Festival Day 2 are currently all ordered. Whether these two are on their way or not remains to be seen. And then we have the Japanese releases. I haven't even looked for Sappy. I don't know if I'll be getting it, but hopefully at some point. And this is Saturday. This is Hana, Juyeon, and Yuki. These are like a major priority for me, so if you do have them and are willing to sell them, please drop me a message on Instagram. And then we have Ayeon and Minso. Minso's set is now complete. And then we have From It's 9. I'm still looking for these two. Again, if you see any cards that I need, don't hesitate to drop me a message. I think it's D1 or something, or is it Today? Today. D1 is a version of it. This is Today, and then Love Bomb. I think it's called From 9. And this is Fun Factory. I have claimed Fun Factory in a group order though, so I'm very happy that this set is now complete. Then we have G from G Friend. This is Flower Bud. And then I can't remember the names of all of the albums actually, so I'm not going to do that. And then this is LOL, The Awakening, I think, and then Parallel, just need 2 for that one. And then Rainbow, I haven't started on time for the Moonlight. I haven't started on Sunny Summer either. Time for Us is on the back burner, and as well as Fever Season. I'm focused on the earlier albums. Then we have Itzy Terong. Still remains to be seen whether these are on their way. And then IZ*ONE Cheon. I did set up for Boom Eyes, but I don't know if it's happening, to be honest. I'm keeping it there on high hopes that it does. Then we have Nature Haru. I finished her cards up until the recent comeback, but I haven't started on that since the albums haven't arrived yet. And then we have AB6 Youngmin and Woon. This is Be Complete, which is complete. And then this is Sixth Sense. This is 6th version and Sense version. And then the group cards from Be Complete. And this is Daniel. I'm desperately looking for this. Please help me. I cannot find this last card. And then we have NCT 127. Well, kind of NCT. This is Jaehyun. I have finished all of his cards. Fire Truck, Cherry Bomb, Empathy, Regular, Irregular, and Regulate. And this is Superhuman. And then I decided to collect 10. I've got this card on its way, and I don't have any of the others, but I have joined group orders for Takeoff and Take Over the Moon. And then this is Super M. And we have Hanwoong. This is for Light Us and then Raise Us. This is on its way. And Fly With Us, I'm still looking for this one. And then we have X1. And this is Hyunjin, and it's complete. And then we just have some keynotes of Hyunjin, Hyunjin, Unsang, and Johan, and then the 2 postcards. And in this binder I keep my collection goals spreadsheets. So these are just spreadsheets that I make to keep track of what albums and versions I've got, along with the photo cards, so I know how many sets I've finished and how many things I need to finish. And I love making spreadsheets, so if you want any spreadsheets for your collections, I'll make one for you. And that was my other groups. So now we're just onto the final folder, which I'm trying to get rid of, if I'm honest. Like, I sort of had like a realization where I only want to collect albums and photo cards of groups that I have in my other folders. So I'm selling off the albums that are not those groups. So the photo cards in here are slowly diminishing. So this is Cherry Bullet. I am selling these along with the albums. And then Daniel, I'm gonna eventually put him with the solo cards. And then CBX. And then Idol's Soyeon, her set is complete. but I think I am selling it. And then we have GWSN, IOI Yujeon, Kim Jae-wan solo cards. I am not going to sell these because this card makes me lose my mind. It's so cute and I love him so much, so I'm going to keep him. I can't collect him though because I generally have not seen any of his cards anywhere, so I don't feel like I could collect him. This is Jihoon solo, and then Jisung solo, and then Guanmin's unit, and then Laboom. This is also not for sale since I love them, but I can't collect them because a lot of their stuff is out of print. And this is the same for Luna. I have a lot of their stuff, but I can't collect them. And why? Oh yeah, they're all sorted by unit. So this is 1/3, Odd Eye Circle, Y by Y, and then this is Rocket Punch. Oh, what's this spell? This is Rocket Punch Judy, and then the remaining Ryujin cards after I sold them. These are just my favourite ones. And then this is Wiki Meki Yujeon because I used to collect her and now I don't. So I'm thinking of selling these. And that's it for that collection. And that is it for my overall photocard collection. And now I'm gonna just quickly talk about the trades. All of these cards are like for sale and trade. And I'd really like to sort of get rid of them as quickly as possible. Yeah, the Sulgi and the Irene Wendy can be traded for like missing Yeri cards and stuff. And then this from his signs up for trade for Jiyeon. And then this is Yuche from Nature. She can go for sale or for trade or anything. And then this Geo from Twice. And then some RM cards. And these are the rest of the Woojins that I have up for sale and trade. If you want any of these, just message me on Instagram. I'll be happy to sort something out. And that's about it, actually. It was very fast, I know. But I don't really want to go to massive detail since there's a lot more videos on it. I will just quickly talk about my Polaroid. This is ateez oh my god, what is wrong with my words? This is ateez Jongho. This is the Polaroid I pulled from my episode 3 album. And it's literally my prized possession. He's my baby and I'm so glad to have it. But yes, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.